Hello, my little ones. Welcome to Math Review Part 2, where we're going to do some problems together again today. Getting you ready for that end of the unit check-in that you will start doing tomorrow. You'll do half of it tomorrow and the second half on Thursday. Don't stress. It's not 100 problems. It's 15 problems, and you will do 8 tomorrow and 7 the next day. Tip, note, hint. Remember, do not turn it in tomorrow because once you submit something, you aren't able to go back and answer anymore. So do not turn it in tomorrow. Wait to turn it in the next day once you've completed everything. All right, here we go. We should be able to count by tens up and back from any number. So if I say to you, we're going to count by tens together out loud. You don't need your piece of paper for this or your whiteboard, which you should have, by the way. If you don't have it yet, you better press pause and go get it. Okay. If I say we're going to count by tens from 223 to 303, can you do it? Yes, you can. It's the same thing as if I said 23 to 103. So 223, if I count by tens, the only number that changes is the tens place. 223, 233, 243, 253, 263, 273, 283, 293, 303. Yay! We did it. We can do this. All right. So, here's your question that you're going to figure out. Let's say I'm counting by tens, and I'm starting at 100, let's say 34. 134. I'll write that down so you guys can put it on your paper so you are sure you have which number that I am starting to count by tens by. And when I'm counting, I say 134, 144. Haha. What will be my next three numbers that I say when I'm counting by tens starting at 134? Remember, only the tens place number changes when we are counting by tens. Oh, I'm pausing because you should be filling in these blanks right now. I'm waiting for you to fill in those blanks. All right. Do you have what I have? 134, 144, 154, 164, 174. You're like, Miss Ramsey, I got this. Guys, do you remember we used to do this all the time during morning meeting when I would have you count up or back by tens from any number? That's why, because eventually in the year at the end of Unit 5, we have to be able to do it. See? There's a reason why I started us doing that a long, long time ago. You guys were probably like, why is she doing this? Now you know. I was setting you up for success. Huh? It all makes sense now. All right. Moving on. The next question is a stickers question. I'm going to draw a line to separate my problems. I have 67 stickers. I now have 13 fewer because Maximus ate them. How many do I have now? How many did I start with? 67. Is this an addition or a subtraction? I said I have 13 fewer. What does fewer mean? Right, it means less than, smaller, subtract. So I should be subtracting. And I lost 13 to Maximus. He ate them. How many do I have now? What kind of problem is this? Result unknown subtraction. But because it's result unknown, I don't have to change the order or anything, and I don't have to rewrite my number sentence. So I just have to choose my strategy. Number line, base 10 blocks, number string. The strategy part is up to you. It's whatever you like best, but I'll show you a couple of different strategies, okay? So, 67 minus 13, I want you to try to solve that. Maybe hit pause and come back to me when you are done. We'll see if we did it the same. All right, let's see how we did it. If I do a number line, I'm going backwards on the number line. I'm going down on the number line because it's subtraction. So I'm at 67. I want to take away 13. 13 is bigger than 10, so I'm going to break that into tens and ones. 13 broken into tens and ones is 10 and 3. So I make a jump of 10. That puts me at minus 10 from any number. 67, 57. And then I go back 3 more. 1, 2, 3. And I can count down 56, 55, 54. I now have 54, and I need my unit stickers. Hopefully that's what you got too. Now maybe you didn't do a number line. Maybe you did a number string. I can do a number string right over here. What do you always have to start with? Your ones. So 7 ones minus 3 ones is 4 ones. 6 tens minus 1 10 is 5 tens. 5 tens equals 50. Final step is to add your tens and ones back together, right? 50 plus 4 equals, look at that, you guys, 54 stickers. It's kind of checking our work, isn't it? Kind of shows me that I did the number line right. If I did 2 different strategies and I got the same answer, that's a good way to check your work. All right. Now, my very last problem I'm going to do up here, since we're running out of space. And what we are going to do is compare numbers greater than, less than, equal to, putting the correct symbol to compare the numbers. So my first set of numbers is 82 and 49. Is 82 greater than or less than 49? It's greater than. So what do? Remember, that mouth is super hungry. It always wants to eat the bigger number. So my mouth is eating the bigger number. And when I read it mathematically, 82 is greater than 49. Okay? What about 66, 75? Please put 66 and 75 on your paper. And then I want you to compare it. Greater than, less than, equal to. All right. Hopefully you did the same as me. Now let's read it together. Ready? 66 is less than 75. Way to go. All right, last one. I have 18 on this side, and on the right-hand side, I have 10 plus 8. Well, I'm going to need to solve 10 plus 8 to know what I have on that side fully, right? What is 10 plus 8? 18. Good job, you guys. So if this equals 18, what symbol do I put in between 18 and 10 plus 8? Equal sign. All right, let's read it. 18 equals 10 plus 8. Good job. All right, guys. I think that you are ready for the end of unit check-in. Now, today on your flip grid is just for questions. There's no work for you to do today. It is questions. If you still have a question about one of the problems in your math review or one of the problems we did in part 1 or part 2 of our video review, then tell me what problem it is, show me the problem, ask your question. Let me know what's going on so that I can try to help you tonight when I respond to your flip grid with any math questions you still have. Okay? All right, you guys, my little mathematicians, I think that we are ready. Now, tomorrow when you do your final check-in, when you start it, when you do problems 1 through 8, I need you to try to do it on your own. A grown-up in your house or your babysitter or your grandma, grandpa, mom, dad, whoever's there with you, they are, of course, welcome to read you the questions and the possible answers. It's multiple choice. You'll highlight it like you did on social studies. You'll highlight your answer. But you are to do the solving, okay? You need to show me what you know all by yourself. Okay, just do your best. Try your best. Let me see how you do on it, okay? All right, guys. Miss you. You guys are amazing. Bye.